If you are in the market for a affordable dresser that's easy to install, that's very durable, and it is versatile and functional, then this one is perfect. There's so many things to love about this. It was, as I mentioned before, it was easy to install. It literally took me under an hour to do it by myself. I am obsessed with these type of dressers for so many reasons. I love how durable they are. Again, they are very affordable and they are just so cute. The material that I used to make it, I absolutely love because I can put my cold juice, spill water and stuff on it, and it won't damage the surface. The top is wood. It's made of metal frames. It got these beautiful gold or rose gold handles. It has the faux leather on the front of the drawers. You can put your sandals or some flat shoes and stuff under the dresser for storage, or a flat box for extra storage. The drawers are really wide and deep, so I love that. And again, they're versatile, they're functional, and you can put it in your closet. You can use it throughout your home, really. Play area, rooms, a laundry, a lot of different areas, and you can store a bunch of stuff and organize stuff in the drawers like this one. Let me show you how deep inside the drawers are. They can fit so much stuff in there, and the drawers are easy to pull out and put in. It's a perfect height for a kid's bedroom so that they can easily grab things, and they can easily pull out the drawers and pull them and push them back in. Again, it is so beautiful. It comes with 5 drawers, 3 on one side and 2 on the other side. Absolutely love it. And the legs are adjustable. It also comes with screws that you can attach it to the wall so it doesn't tip over if that's an issue, but it's not. But as you can see, it's stable enough where you won't need to attach it, but just for extra protection or safety measures, you could attach it to the wall.